I chose to come to sound camp because I've always been very interested in how sound is developed and maybe going into that industry. I'd recommend this camp to anyone who really wants to learn about sound software, just doesn't really think they can do it on their own, because I found it very helpful.
So every day at Sound Camp, the morning is typically, we do a little bit of lecture and it kind of goes over what we're going to do all day. We typically do some kind of activity all together, mostly recording sounds and like going outside with mics and stuff. And in the second half of the day, we're in the room, we're working with the software, we're finding effects, we're mixing it, and we're just learning all these new skills in a short amount of time. The most exciting part of Sound Camp for me has to be the Foley room. I love that I'm able to make my own sound effects and I'm able to use all of this high quality equipment and use these microphones to create something that I can call my own.
I love the creative liberties they let me just go wild when it comes to all the sound effects, audio, everything. And our instructors are really just chill people. If you're definitely into like wanting to learn sound effects and just sound editing, definitely a good starting point for you.